Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. All staple guns jam from time to time, so today we want to show you how to clear a jammed staple from the T50DCD cordless staple gun. As you can see, the T50DCD has a convenient bottom load magazine. In order to clear the T50DCD of a staple jam, first you need to make sure that the T50DCD is in the off position. Note that the green indicator light also turns off. Then release the magazine by pushing down on the release and opening the channel of the magazine. Remove any staples from the magazine. Now you have complete access to the inner workings of the front of the magazine where the jam is. You're ready to remove the jam staple. To clear the jam, you can use a screwdriver to pull out the staple or a pair of needle nose pliers if it's really stuck. To reload, you just take a full strip of T50 staples and insert them into the magazine with the legs facing up to the ceiling. Insert into the tool and close the magazine. Make sure the magazine locks into place. Turn on the T50DCD cordless stapler and note that the green indicator light turns on. And now you're ready to get back to work.